Welcome to our DJI tutorial video, where we will guide you on how to use the D-RTK3 multifunctional station in either base station mode or relay station mode to perform tasks. D-RTK3 multifunctional station is set to base station mode by default upon delivery. This mode allows multiple DJI aircraft to connect simultaneously, assisting in positioning and enhancing positioning accuracy to the centimeter level. Make sure to choose an open, unobstructed environment for setup. Ensure the tripod is leveled and stable. Power on D-RTK3. The mode indicator turns green in base station mode. If the device is in a different mode, press the power button 3 times to switch the operating mode to base station mode. Power on the aircraft and remote controller. Ensure they are already linked. Go to Precise Positioning setting in DJI Pilot 2. Select D-RTK base station as the RTK service type. Tap Not Connected and choose the D-RTK device you want from the search list. Wait for the notification that the remote controller has connected to D-RTK3. Once the connection is established, D-RTK3 needs to be calibrated after satellite search. In the Precise Positioning setting interface, tap Not Calibrated on the right and enter the password in the pop-up window. The frequent coordinates will be shown in the interface. Under Source of Calibration, you can select Custom Network RTK, PPP, or Manual Calibration to set the coordinates of the base station. If you have a third-party network RTK account, you can choose Custom Network RTK. After setting the related parameters, you can start calibrating coordinates. If you are in an area without network access, use PPP mode to perform self-convergence calibration. You can set expected horizontal accuracy to 100 centimeters, 50 centimeters, or 20 centimeters. Tap Start Calibration. Observe the accuracy of the base station calibration data. Once the calibration accuracy meets the requirements, the calibration will automatically complete and output the calibrated coordinates. If you wish to save the current position's coordinates for future use, you can select Save as Frequent Coordinates. Tap OK to complete the calibration. Check that the aircraft's RTK positioning status is Fix and the base station setup is complete. The aircraft can then begin executing tasks in RTK mode. Relay station mode can provide communication relay for DJI aircraft and remote controller. To solve signal blockage issues, place the device in a high, open area with a clear and unobstructed view. Power on D-RTK3. Switch the operating mode to relay station mode. The mode indicator will turn blue. Power on the remote controller and the aircraft. Ensure they are already linked. In the home page of DJI Pilot 2, tap the Relay Station Linking button and tap to connect the relay device. To enter the linking mode, press and hold the power button on D-RTK3 for more than 5 seconds. To enter the linking mode, the mode indicator will blink in 3 colors. After D-RTK3 is linked with the remote controller, the mode indicator is solid blue. The app will show that the relay station is connected. At this point, D-RTK is linked with both the remote controller and the aircraft. If the mode indicator is solid on after linking, the device is connected to the remote controller and aircraft. If the mode indicator blinks, the device is unlinked. Enter the camera view. The taskbar will display the relay station's connection status and battery level. Go to Precise Positioning setting. Select D-RTK3 Relay Station. Once the setup is complete, it can provide precise RTK positioning for the aircraft. During the flight, the composite signal strength will be displayed. By tapping on it, the signal strength between the remote controller and the relay, as well as between the relay and the aircraft, will be displayed. If the signal between the aircraft and the remote controller weakens, the aircraft will automatically switch to relay communication mode in the background. You can also adjust the position of the remote controller's antennas or the aircraft to achieve the optimal video transmission quality. Data processing. If you need to download satellite raw observation data, connect the computer while the D-RTK3 is powered on. Select the corresponding satellite raw observation file and copy it to the desired folder. Launch DJI Terra and import the file for local PPK processing. Thanks for watching.